Alright guys, this is what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to show you how to do a Modern Warfare 3 XP lobby. First thing what you're going to need is you're going to need a 3.55 PS3, which is my camo in there. If you don't have a 3.55 PS3, stop watching. You can do this simply from just a USB mod or a game save using Exploder. You're going to need a computer with internet access. And if you don't have a computer with internet access, then quit watching. So, anyways, I've got a lot of downloads for you guys to download. Go in there and download each one of them because you're going to need all of them. They're the update package 1.21 for Modern Warfare 3, and then there's the fuck PSN stuff that you're going to need, and the eboot.bin, which is where the hacks are. Alright, so first off, what we're going to do is we're going to delete the Modern Warfare 3 game data. This is made by Choco, by the way. He's from nextgenupdate.com. He's a pretty cool dude. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to delete game data utility. So from the game icon on your PS3, I don't know if you can see that or not, it's not really showing me on here or not. But anyways, scroll up to game data utility, go ahead and hit X on that. There's Modern Warfare 3, you'll see that. That's the 1.21 update. Go ahead and hit triangle and then delete. I'm not going to do this because it's already done, but I'm just showing you guys. So listen to what I say. Alright, delete it. And then go to install package files, click on it, and then you're going to get download the download the 1.21 update package that I provided in there. Download that, and that's like 30 megabytes or something. Anyways, when you've got that downloaded, you're good to go. Now we're going to go into our FTP server. If you don't have FTP server, I suggest Google black box FTP for PS3 3.55 or something. I'm not going to provide that download. It's easy. You can Google it and find it. Alright, so then we're going to go ahead and open it up. Yeah, let's say, am I connected to the internet? Yeah, I am. So, I'm not going to show you guys my... Well, I guess I can. It doesn't really matter. Go to your computer, start up FileZilla. It's slow. I'm going to show you my PS3's IP. I don't think it really matters. I don't know if you can see this or not. I can't make it out on the iPad here. But anyways, we're going to go to host. Mine's 192.168. Shit. What just happened? I hit the wrong button. Really? You're not going to get off my screen? Yeah? Oh, I'm hitting the wrong thing, that's why. Okay. 192.168.0.7. The username is going to be capital F as in Frank, T as in Tom, D as in Delta, P as in Paul, 12345. And then password, leave it blank. Port's going to be 21, and then hit enter. And there we go. Directory assisting is whatever. It's good to go. So, now, sorry if you can't really do this, but I'm recording my iPad because it's better than my iPhone. It's wider, and it's way wider. But okay, so, now, where's Choco's tutorial? We're going to replace the eboot.bin, okay? Using an FTP server, copy the eboot.bin you downloaded it to the following directory, blah, blah. Your game should be BLUS30838, because you're in America. If you're not in America, I don't know what the fuck your game is. But anyways, let's go to dev, HDD0, double-click it. Game, lowercase, double click it, and then find that, what the fuck was it? BLUS. It's a 380, yeah, there it is, 38038, double click it. US directory, double click. You see that eboot.bin there? That's not what we're going to need. You should have downloaded an eboot.bin. You should have downloaded it from my description. I've got it there. There's my eboot.bin. Anyways, when you downloaded it, go ahead and save it to your desktop. And then let's just pretend that this is the eboot.bin. Anyways, when you have the eboot.bin there, open up FileZilla, click it, and then just drag. Oh shit! Don't open it. Click it, and then drag it over there, and then you just copy it in. And then it'll be like, do you want to override it? And then hit yes. And that's it. And then eboot.bin's been copied over there. Now the thing that I just added in there, starting upload of backup patch.ff. I don't know where the fuck that is. That's a folder and I'm not seeing it. I dragged it in there and it's not in there. Oh shit. It went in there. Okay, fine. Let me go back out. Alright. Then exit out of there. Yes. I want to close it. I don't want to upload that. So anyway, so then just exit out of the FTP server. And then go ahead and go back to your PS3. It says hit X, X to quit. And hit X to quit your FTP server on your PS3. You don't need it anymore. And then what does Choco say? There it is. And this is launch Modern Warfare 3 from the disk. It should load directly in the multiplayer and the XP mod will be active. So, there you go. But, in order to go online with a 3.55 PS3, you guys need what's called fuck PSN. It's working now. This signing in shit's not going to work. But anyways, this is really confusing. And if you don't know what you're doing or if you don't follow my tutorial directly, you will brick your system. And it will not be my fault. Because you didn't follow me directly. So, here's what we're going to do. I provided some more files for you guys to download. It's called my fuck PSN shit. I don't know why it's called that. The guy who made it called it that. So that's what we're all going to call it. So, once you download it, it's got a couple different things. I forgot what it's called. It's going to have this CA27 file, and it's going to have this fuck PSN thing. Oh, here we go. I've got them both right here. Let's open up this one. Alright. The devblind.package. You just install that one on the root of your PS3 system, as well as the Open PS3 FTP splitter. You just, or whatever that's called. You just put those on your USB flash drive and go to install package files on your PS3 and install them. Okay? Now, devblind.package, once you've installed it on your PS3, it's going to be located under game. It's going to be that package right there, that white thing. It says dev_blind. Now you're going to mount your flash to that, okay? We're going to hit X on that. And you're going to get some stuff that's going to tell you, it's going to be like, shit, I can't remember what it's going to say. Something about if you don't know what you're doing, capiche, yeah. This program allows you to write to the flash memory of your console. Do not use this program if you don't know exactly what you are doing, capiche. Right. I'll tell you what we're going to do is we're going to cancel that. Hit no. Go ahead and hit no. We're not going to install that right now. Alright, instead what we're going to do is we're going to go to our computer. Once you've installed that FTP splitter service, I'm going to get there to you in just a second. Go over to network. It's in network. Hit install down there at the very bottom. Open PS3 FTP split. Go ahead and open it up. That's the first thing we want to do. I'm sorry. And then when that's opening up, go ahead and go to your computer. Go to FileZilla. Open FileZilla up again. By the way, when that thing pops up on your PS3, don't hit OK. Just leave it up. It's like Black Box, but it's its own thing, and I don't know if we need it exactly for fuck PSN or not, but I'm using it because that's the way I was taught. So, anyways, the host is going to be 192.168.0.7. The username is going to be root, R-O-O-T. The password will be ANYTHING. And your port's going to be 21. Your password's anything, by the way. And then connect, and then there you go. And we're connected here. Alright. Damn. I was supposed to do that first. Okay. Exit out of the program again. Sorry. I know, it gets confusing. There's so much shit you gotta do. But anyways, so I screwed up twice. Just ignore those screw ups. We have to mount the flash drive. So go over here to game. I'm too far into this video to quit it, so deal with it. Go into dev_blind. That's in game. We're going to go ahead and mount it to the flash drive. Or not mount it to the flash drive, but mount it to the PS3. It gets that stupid message like if you don't know what you're doing, capiche, blah blah blah. Yes. Do you want to mount dev_blind? Yes. Successfully mounted. Circle to go back. Now, let's go ahead and go back to your computer and go ahead and load up FileZilla, since it seems to be slow. If you don't know what FileZilla is, then you shouldn't be doing this with your PS3. Just saying. While that's loading, go ahead and go back to your PS3, go back to network, go to that Open PS3 FTP split thing. Go ahead and open it up. Now go back to your computer. Now your host is going to be what this thing pops up on your PS3 as, which is, mine was, what was mine? 192.168, 192.168.0.7. And there we go. And now the username was root, R-O-O-T. The password was A-N-Y-T-H-I-N-G. I'm not using caps on that if you haven't noticed. Port 21, enter. Alright, now we're back to where we were. Now, you'll see an icon in there that says, or a folder that says dev_blind. Double click it. The thing I come up to last, somebody had a different file, but mine's data. I don't know what their other file was, but anyways, try all of them. It should be data if you have data, and then you'll see the cert package. Double click it. Now what we're going to do here is we're going to scroll all the way down. You see CA27. Yours is going to look like CA26 .cer, CA27.cer, and then it'll be CA28.cer. But here's what I need you guys to do, is I need you to click on your CA27.cer, go ahead and click it, you right click it, and then you're going to click rename, and you're going to rename it to CA27.cer.bak. It's a backup file. So whatever the fuck that means. But anyways, so we're going to name it that, and then that other download that I provided, see if it was in my fuck PSN. Yeah, it was in my fuck PSN. So you have that CA.27 certificate. Go ahead and drag it over and drop it down in there. And it'll ask you if you want to override. Just hit yeah. And then that's it. And then you're good to go, and you can close out FileZilla. Go back to your PS3. You can go ahead and exit that shit off. We don't need it anymore. Now, here's what else we're going to do. Is before we run the actual program to open up fuck PSN. And by the way, that once you actually get online, this is going to be a lot easier. You won't have to go through this anymore. You won't have to be installing any of this. All you do from now on is you just go to fuck PSN right there on my PS3, double click it, and load it up. And then you're good to go. But we're not done yet. Go ahead and go over here to your computer. Go down here at the bottom. Go here to the search bar. Type in CMD for command. Then you're going to get that guy up. That's your old school shit. Type in ipconfig. It's ipconfig. And hit enter. And I can't show you my IP address because I don't want any of you knowing it. But anyways, you get the little box pop up. Scroll up to the very top. You'll see wireless LAN adapter, wireless network connection. You'll see connection specific DNS suffix, link, local IPv6 address, and IPv4 address. Your IPv4 address is what you're going to be needing. You can either open Notepad and write it down, or you can just keep it up. It's no big deal. Alright, so go back to your PS3, and then go over to settings, scroll down to network settings. Internet connection should be enabled, and media server connection should be enabled. Make sure you both have those enabled. And then go to internet connection settings. And we're going to do custom. Okay. I have a wired connection. I'm assuming you guys do too. If you don't, figure it out. Auto detect, do not set. DNS settings is going to be manual. Your DNS settings, all you guys need to do is you need to go over, I'm not going to show you that once again, sorry. But go over there. Your primary DNS is going to be what you had on your computer from the command. This guy down here, that IPv4 address. Pop it up, and then when you find the IPv4 address, go ahead and do it that way. Put it, your IPv4 as your primary and your secondary DNS. They both have to be the same. And then once you've done that, go ahead and hit over. What is that? MTU automatic proxy server do not use. I don't even know what the fuck this shit is. And then hit X to save. Save completed. There you go, no problem. I think you might have seen my IP address, but whatever. If it happened, it happened. Tough titty. Alright, so all that's done. Now, go ahead and go to your computer. And in one of these folders that I provided, it's got fuck PSN in it. Go ahead and open it, and you've got the fuck psn.exe. It's not a virus. It's an actual program. It's an application. I've got mine mounted on my desktop. I double click it, is going to pop up like this. I can't show you that because it shows my IP address in there. But anyways, it'll start running some codes and all that shit on it. It'll look something like that, and then all the crap that's below it, and it goes from there. So, and then you'll be good to go. And now that's running. Go ahead and go back to your PS3. Minimize fuck PSN just so it's out of the way. And now that I've got it running, I'm going to sign in. I've made several bogus accounts, so I don't really care. And there we go. I'm signed in on a 3.55 PS3. Kind of a long process. I screwed up a couple times, but you guys can get over it. But follow my tutorial step by step and you'll be fine. You can get it online and you'll be hosting these XP lobbies. It's hard to get host. My suggestion is that once you've did all this shit to set it up. Now just remember, the next time, just turn off your PS3 system and turn it back on, and it'll try to sign in, and it'll be like, this is a DNS error, it can't sign in. Then just come directly back to your computer and hit fuck PSN, double click it, you start it up. But most people want to do it as right click it and then run as administrator. I haven't been doing that, I haven't had any problems, but you guys might, so I would try to run it as administrator and see if that works. And then it'll sign in, because everything else will be saved and you won't have to fuck with this anymore. So, but there you go, that's it. Enjoy the XP lobbies. It's Chacos. Subscribe, rate, and enjoy. And you're very welcome. Sorry if this quality be good. It's just kind of shaky, but anyways, you guys kind of got to see a glimpse of my house as well. All of the shit that I have there. All of the crap that I have out. All of that. That's my iPhone 4S. That's a Pepsi. That's my Dallas Cowboys hat. If you don't like the Cowboys, you're gay. About it, really. My refrigerator and freezer and other shit. What's around the house? But anyways, yeah, I'm from Texas, by the way, if you haven't noticed. Enjoy. Subscribe. Don't be gay.